What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, we talk mostly about affiliate marketing but also personal finance and how you can take freedom back and eventually quit your job. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe, give me one of these, ding that notification bell as well, I forgot about that. Comment on what you think and what you want to see next, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, in this video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing and how to start affiliate marketing for beginners in 2020, step by step. And if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, we're going to cover that as well, so you can get started to your journey to freedom. So, with that being said, let's get right into the video. So, affiliate marketing, we need to know what it is first. And hang on. That was a quick interruption from my assistant. But let's get right back into the video. So, what is affiliate marketing first? I'm going to try and explain it as simply as possible. So, keep in mind I have done this in the past, so you can watch these videos as well. But I have a phone here, not sure you can probably see it, yes. And let's say that I really like that phone and I want everyone to know that I like that phone and eventually, tell people to buy it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Apple, since this is an iPhone, Apple affiliates or something along those lines. I'll probably pop it up on the screen and I'll go down and check out if I can become an affiliate. And let's say I get approved for being an affiliate, and that means that they're going to give me a custom link for the iPhone. So as soon as I put it up somewhere and people click on it and buy the iPhone, then I'm going to get a small cut of that commission. Now that's a very simple way of doing it, but that's how it works. But if you go to Twitter, for example, or Instagram or YouTube or something like that, and you start spamming the link everywhere and telling people to buy the iPhone, that is not going to work out, and that's why I'm making this video right now. So, by the way, if at any part in this video you enjoy it, make sure you give me one of these, subscribe, ding that bell, and I'm going to wait 5 seconds for you to actually do it. Have you done it? Okay, so now that we've got that out of the way and what affiliate marketing is, I'm going to tell you that there are some good products to promote and some bad products to promote. For example, if you're promoting something that is really cheap and that you get a small cut from it, it's not going to be a good idea. But if you sell something that's expensive and you get a bigger cut from it, then it can be good. Let me explain. If you go to Amazon and you sell something, for example a book, and I've taken this as an example before, and you try to sell that book, you're going to get from 3 to 5%. I think that's Amazon's rate. So if you sell a book that's $5 and you get a 3% cut, you're not even going to make a proper income from that, like any substantial money. But if you sell a software, that means you're just by the fact that it's a software, you're going to get a bigger cut because they don't have to manufacture the product every time somebody buys it. Instead, as many downloads as they can get, they're happy because they're going to get some more money. And since they don't have to spend any more money on that, they can give you some more money. But why do companies actually want to pay you to sell the products? It's very simple. Because they don't have to pay for ads, instead they can rely on you to do it. So, now that we've established that there are some good products to promote and some bad ones to promote, there's another thing that you have to keep in mind, is that you actually like the product that you want to promote. So, if you're promoting a product just because it's going to make you money and that's it, first of all, you're not going to last very long because you don't even care about the product. All you want to do is make some money. Second of all, People are going to see through it. You're not going to know very much about the product just because you don't enjoy it, and it's just going to fall out from you. So another thing that you want to keep in mind is that you want to have a product that you actually like. And a lot of people will tell you on YouTube to actually pick a niche. I would advise against that. I would advise you to actually pick a product first, but keeping in mind that it's a product that you like and probably a niche that you like in that case. Because if you're trying to, let's say, be in the make money online niche and try to sell a bunch of products to help people make money, that is possible if you're not even making money, and I'm going to explain that. But if you're not even interested in the slightest, but you know that you can make a ton of money with that, then that's just not going to work out. So pick a product that you actually enjoy. Maybe it's an iPhone, maybe it's not. I don't even know if an iPhone is a good product to promote. I'm not into that. What I do is the making money online niche. Now, as I said, I'm going to explain to you how you can make some money with that. What you want to understand is, to sell a product, you don't want to spend some money on ads. It's not going to be a good idea. You're going to lose a bunch of money. I actually made a video about the, I think, 5 top mistakes that people make with affiliate marketing, and that was one of them. You don't want to spend some money on ads, and you can watch that video. I'll put that in the description, but it's not a good idea. Instead, what you want to do is bring people value. But how do you actually do that? As I said, you don't want to spam people on TikTok, on Twitter, or whatever. Instead, you want to provide some value, and I would advise you to do it on TikTok. Do you have to show your face? No. Is it better to show your face? Absolutely. You don't have to show your face if you absolutely don't want to. There are some people that make money with that, but showing your face builds a bigger and better connection with your audience. So the very first step that you want to do when you get into a niche, now that you've picked your product because you use that product and it's got an alright rate, then you want to provide some value. How do you provide value if you know nothing about making money online and you want to be in the making money online niche? I know that's a big question that a lot of people have, and this can work for a lot of different niches, for weight loss and all these different things. What you want to do is learn something, teach it, but also tell people that you're just learning. So I just learned this. This is a great tip that I got. I'm trying to get from where I'm at right now, which is making 0 money, to making X amount of money in X amount of time. So that can be a great thing. I've seen tons of people to do that, and that actually works. So first step, go on TikTok and bring as much value as possible. Once you get to 1,000 followers, you can put the link that I'm going to explain, because it's not going to be your affiliate link that you want to put. So now that you've done that, you kind of are providing some value, but at the same time you want to create what's called a sales funnel. So a sales funnel can sound a bit complicated when you first start, but it's not that complicated. And I'll try to put that on the screen because it can sort of give you an idea. So if you see that picture on the first page, what you're going to have is just people entering their email, their name and email. Now, you don't have to build a website and learn coding to do that. There are a ton of software that do this. I use Builderall myself. I'll put the link in the description, but you can also use ClickFunnels, you can use System.io, and there's a ton of different things that you can do. But you don't have to learn coding for that. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars a month or anything. You just have to pick one of those software. ClickFunnels is the most expensive, and I think System.io is probably free for the first part. So you can use System.io if you don't have much money. So you do that. First step, they enter the name and email. Maybe tell them why they want to enter their name and emails, but you're going to say that on TikTok at first. Then They click on next, and on the next page you're going to explain why the product is so beneficial to them, why it's so good, why it does, you know, the results that they want to have, because they're not trying to learn something, they want the result that's in the end. That's it. So tell them that these people got the results, even if it's not you, it's not a big deal. But if the people that are getting the product get the results that they want, then it's great. And also tell them that on the next page they're going to see someone that's not you anymore, because that's where you're going to put your affiliate link. A page, for example, can look like this. So this is mine. If you see at the top, I have a video, then I have some testimonials. I talk a little bit about myself. So that's how it goes. And on the next page, then you see that's where you put your affiliate link. Hopefully it will be somewhere where it leads to a sales video or sales script or something like that. That's how you do it. So you want to keep that, and then on the link in your bio, once you get to 1,000 followers on TikTok, which by the way is not that hard, it's not as hard as it might seem. If you've tried Instagram in the past or YouTube in the past, don't worry, TikTok is a lot easier, and it's going to get harder as time goes by, but at first it's pretty easy. Once you have that sales funnel that goes in, you want to write some automated emails. And if you want to copy mine, if you're in the make money online niche, or just take some example, I'll put the link in the description to learn something. It will be the first link, and you can just go through it. You don't have to buy anything if you don't want to, but you'll get the idea of some emails. So maybe introduce the product in the first email, tell them why it's good, why it does this and that. Then a second email explaining different benefits, maybe some people that got some success with it and things like that. And you want to have at least 7 emails, because most people will not go through your sales funnel and buy at the end. Some people will, but most people, they will want to see your email several times, and they say the average is seven times. So if you don't have 7 emails, then you need to write 7 emails. And there are plenty of ways to learn this. If you want to learn the building blocks, I'll put the link in the description. That will be the first link as well, and you can learn that. And you know, it's $7, so it won't cost you an arm and a leg, but it will help you greatly to understand how you can write the emails and all of that. And that's how you start affiliate marketing if you're a beginner. But it doesn't stop there, because once you start to have some success, once you start to have some sales, start to make some money, and all of that goes into it, once you start to see some success, you have some leads. And by the way, if you don't know what a lead is where on the first page they entered their name and email, they clicked on next, and then that's it. You have a lead, because that's a person that's in your email list that you can send some automated emails. So once you have that, you start to gain some success on TikTok, you can start branching out. Now, Instagram is a great way to do this. I have a video on TikTok, on Instagram. I actually have 2 on TikTok and 1 on Instagram, so I'll put the links of them in the description. They can help you out greatly if you want to start on either platforms. But TikTok is the way to get started. Then you can branch out to Instagram. It's actually great. You can actually still grow on Instagram, believe it or not, if you watch that video. But now that you have TikTok, you have Instagram, and then it's up to you. You can either maybe start, once you start getting those that have some traction, maybe you can start to have YouTube, or maybe it's a blog. It really depends, but those 2 will actually grow. These are some solid platforms. Once you get the initial sales, the initial leads on TikTok, then you can branch out to those, and those will help you out greatly as well, especially if you're known on TikTok, because that will help you grow your following as well. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions whatsoever, put them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Make sure you give me one of these. subscribe, ding that notification bell, and you know, everyone will be happy because that helps me out in the algorithm, and I would really be happy to help you out, help everyone out. And if you do those, like the video, comment and subscribe, then I'll be able to help a lot more people. So I hope that helped you a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.